Blessings, my friends and my fans. Kojak is in the jungle, working very hard. Some people wondering why I'm not doing any live. Sometimes the live take up a lot of time to do. And since I cannot get anyone to work, I have to be doing the work myself. My wonderful fans. There are some wonderful sisters and brothers that like to watch my videos them. Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel, in the jungle working, dirty hands. Women doesn't like men with all dirty fingernail. No woman would go out with a man like me with this type of fingernail. They would scan me. See, you would never find a woman dating a man like the jungle warrior, Kojak. See, you have to look attractive with clean fingernails, nice pretty clothes, nice shoes, looking very attractive. See, but when you are a hard-working man in the bush, you know that the ladies are not gonna like you. See, so if you want to have all those nice ladies, boy, I don't know what to say because, the jungle life ain't easy. You have to dedicate yourself to it, man. I have to first thank all those new people who have subscribed from Jamaica, our land. Have varieties of good things, we have bad things also. People from Asia, the United States of America, Africa, Europe, Canada, the Caribbean, Australia, New Zealand, Central and South America. As you can hear the Janchuit birds, them sound very sexy. See, I like to hear them. My friend in Florida by the name of C, she loved to hear the Janchuit. KC, big up. Tetia. DJ King Yellowman and Tour, big up yourself, my good brother. People from Kenya, the Philippines, India, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, various places, man. Ghanaians, South Africans, Kenya, all over Africa, every state in America. Welcome to my channel. We're just doing our videos and we're doing work. Lot of work. I'm tired, I'm not like a break now. Very tired. I just rehydrate up myself. Wonder what happened to KC. Clover, what happened to you? Kativa, Nona, Glenn, and all those. Sarah and David. Working, man, cutting all these type of fig root. Very dangerous fig root. Them, it's not good for the land. See? Cleaning up all them cedar root here. See all these work what I'm doing. And I have all those areas to clean up. I don't know if anyone would help me work. Big up my friend, my brother from the good brother. I just say my brother from America. I don't even remember your name right now. You have been watching the videos from the other day. See? Jamaica lady from down Florida. See, I think you was a singer lady. I don't even remember your name right now. See? You subscribe to the channel and you've been watching the videos them. So welcome with open arms. Yeah, open arms, my sister. What happened to me fire? I thought the fire was catching. I know I come with a little. Where me put it? Oh, trying to catch a fire. Do you believe this fire will catch? This is a bushman life. See, fire gone metric now, man. Fire gone clear now. This is a country life, Tetia. Garden, Claudette. Big up yourself, Claudette Garden. DC, two time you watch videos on my channel, 2 times. I got comment from you. I don't know if you watch more than 2 times, but it's 2 comments I got from you. DC. Shirley, I need to get more comments from you also. Hopefully we'll get new subscribers today. My fans and I must tell enough friends and family about the channel because each one have to, do them part and promote them thing, Because without we talk up the thing, maybe it will not happen. So we have to talk up the thing and ask the good friends them. Big up Catechin, you always most of the videos you are the first to watch them. What a lady love this channel. Catechin, wherever you are now, my fan. I'm a friend. Hopefully you have some good lunch. See? My good friend see too. From Florida, what a woman nice. Big up. Big up, man. I have some very good friends now on the channel. Yeah, if I wasn't doing this now, I could do a little live, but I have to do some work to get money to buy back credit, phone credit. I take a lot of money to buy the credit them. It's not that easy, This is bush life. See, who join me in the bush? There are certain women when I believe 1 and 2 women, maybe they would come in the bush with me. Maybe, just maybe. Remember one name, Bush Girl. Big up yourself, Bush Girl. Living in the USA, Jamaica, no man by the name of Bush Girl. I don't know why you call yourself Bush Girl. Maybe you come from country up in St. Thomas, one of them, Kingston and St. Andrew, yeah. Alright. I have a lot of work to do. So here now, I'm gonna finish up this video. So as you don't know, you know me in the jungle. See? Working. So big up and bless up. You have a good rest of day or night. Wherever. We must pray for each other. We not pray for me also. That's me have good health and long life. And protect me from demonic people. So blessing again, my fans. Big up Kojak said that. Thanks for watching here. Peace and love and unity to you and your family and to me and my country and your country also.